Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by loading Auto Filter directly onto the track you want to shape. Immediately choose a filter type. Low pass is the default for mellow cuts, because that decides which harmonics remain. Next, set the frequency to around 1 kHz and lower the resonance to about 0. 2 to 0. 5 so you have headroom. Once done, enable the device and make sure the input level isn't clipping. You want clear sound to hear what the filter actually does. You now add motion, automate the cutoff parameter, or use the built-in LFO to create rhythmic movement. Drag a clip envelope or record knob moves in real time so the changes feel musical. Sync the LFO rate to tempo. Try 1/4 or 1/8 notes for obvious pulsing. Once done, experiment with the LFO shape and amount to control subtlety versus sweep. Also make use of the envelope follower when you want the filter to react to the audio's dynamics automatically. Finish by balancing levels and adding character. Apply drive sparingly to warm the signal, then trim output so your mix stays consistent. If you need the filter to respond to a kick or vocal, route sidechain input and set the envelope follower accordingly. Once done, automate wet/dry or map macro knobs for quick control. If you hear unpleasant ringing or phase issues, reduce resonance or change filter type. These fixes usually solve tonal artifacts while keeping the creative.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.